Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a special dua that is also in Hadith book, and this dua is so much effective, and it is a special type of dua in order to make continuance of Allah's blessings which are already upon us. Like, for example, health is blessings of Allah, and our food and all the things which we need that are coming continuously, that is also blessings of Allah. Our business, our work, our job is also blessings of Allah. Our children, our wife and husband, and all the things which we need, and all the things which are relating to us. So all the things are blessings of Allah that we have. So many things we have, those are the blessings of Allah. Everything we have, that is Allah's blessings, Allah's special mercies we got because of Allah's mercies, all these things. And we request Allah to continue these blessings and mercies which are with us in the form of different things, so that they should not change or transform with punishment or your angerness or coming other type of sudden accidents, sudden difficulties and problems, and different type of other things which make the person's life so much vulnerable or some difficult. So we have to request Allah so that so blessings of Allah should continue which are upon us. So we have to read this dua. So this dua is good for to make the continuance of Allah's blessings. Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min zawali ni'matika wa tahawwuli afiyatika wa fujaati nikmatika wa jami'i sakhatika. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min zawali ni'matika wa tahawwuli afiyatika wa fujaati nikmatika wa jami'i sakhatika. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min zawali ni'matika wa tahawwuli afiyatika wa fujaati nikmatika wa jami'i sakhatika. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika. O Allah, I beg and request for protection from extinction of your favors upon me or upon us. Min zawali ni'matika, from the extension of your favors upon me. Wa tuhawwuli afiyatika, and from the safety and protection of my health and prosperity. Wa fujaati nikmatika, being transformed into a calamity, and from sudden punishment, and from jami'i sakhatika, and from displeasure or angerness of you, O Allah. So we request Allah, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika min zawali ni'matika wa tahawwuli afiyatika wa fujaati nikmatika wa jami'i sakhatika. O Allah, I beg and request for protection from the extinction of your favors upon us, and from the safety and protection of my life, my health, and that have been given to me, being transformed into a calamity, and from sudden punishment or difficulties or problems, and from every displeasure of you. So, O Allah, please continue all the blessings which you already have given me, blessed me, so with your mercies, so these should continue. So we have to request Allah in this way. Inshallah, Allah's blessings will fall and we will continue to enjoy the blessings of Allah that we have already we have. Otherwise, you have seen so many people, they have health, good health, that is also blessings of Allah. But sudden, they do some type of different things because Allah becomes angry and they become ill. There is no treatment for them and trouble for them and problems also. And some people, they do something which Allah dislike because of displeasure of Allah. They suffer into different type of calamities. They have different type of sudden change that comes in their life, and they were before they were enjoying the king's type life, but after they become beggars type. So many problems we have, but every time, so if we request Allah that whatever blessings of you, like our children, wife, home, and even job, and different other business and other things, so many things we have. So we have to request Allah. If something is snatched as have been fallen, and then when we get the insult or problems or difficulties and troubles and financial problems, some other problems, social problems, some home problems and family problems, so many things comes also with that. So but if the Allah's blessings will continue, then all the troubles, all problems never come, because Allah's blessings and mercies are all with us, and we are having those one with us forever, because we are requesting Allah every time. So you have to request this dua in the morning and in the evening and in the daytime, so that Allah's blessings should continue. Allah give us tawfiq to do it. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum.